Hi guys, it's the Thread Banger, and today I'm bringing you a video about Japanese punch embroidery called Japanese Bunka embroidery. And I made a video of the process of me making this kit that I purchased. There we go. And I just wanted to make a video of the start to finish process and kind of how I do it. It's pretty much just me sped up doing the things, so enjoy. I'm going to be getting a little bit more into the steps and whatnot up next. So here is another Bunka kit that I have. I got it in Japantown in San Jose, and you can see here it says, kind of hard to read, but it's Matsuhato brand, Bunka embroidery, the Tokiwa handicraft company. And when you open it, it has a picture. So a really nice picture. It's got some instructions. Don't think I can read those. But it's a picture. There's the catalog. And that's the one that I have. You can see here. This one has some special different type of thread. Since this is an advanced kit, and it has some gold, and you use this gold for the eyes. But it comes with all of the floss that you need in a bundle here. And the canvas has been printed. You can see his face here. There it is. Alright, so this is the kit that I'm working on, and in the box it comes with a really clear colored photo of what the project is going to look like when it's done. So it doesn't have any instructions, but it gives you this picture and it shows you all the sections pretty clearly. And then the canvas itself is printed. It has the outlines of the design already done there for you. And it also has them sectioned off for each individual color. And you can see here it's got arrows, direction arrows, letting you know which direction you're supposed to be stitching. Alright, so here is the thread. This thread is a 4-ply, and you actually have to give it a good yank and pull it and sort of separate the fibers from each other, I guess. So this is what you want it to look like. You can see it's nice and curled, not too loose. And you want to really give yourself a good length of it to work with. If you can hear it, it should be making that sound. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so the rest of it, I keep it intact, and I have it on a winding card bobbin thingy. Shout out to Cerise for gifting me a whole bunch of these. I'm really glad to have them right now. Now we're going to thread the needle. And again, this is the Bunka needle. It has a circular opening right here and a hole in the lid. This opening is all the way down. It's hollow here. And then there is a hole facing forward. So this is the front of your needle. So I'm going to thread it, and I need my very long needle threader. So you stick it through the little circular opening. Okay, so you want to make sure that the thread is coming out of the hole going forward, and that it's all the way in between the needle there. It's behind the needle, if you will, or going through the whole thing and coming out the top just like so. Okay, so here we have it. This is the original picture, and this is the completed piece. I think it came out really close. Looks just like it. It came out really well. Everything was very straightforward in terms of what color belonged in what place, because there were not that many colors. I wasn't quite sure how many stitches to take or how tightly to make the stitches together, because I didn't know how much of the floss it was going to take up. So I was kind of worried I was going to use it all or run out or not have enough, but I did have enough. And I'm going to flip it over now so you can see what the back side looks like. Here we go. And there it is. I did trim it down. There's still a few long ones in here. I'm going to trim again, but that's it. This is the back side of the punch embroidery. You can see it's not as full in some places, like it's a little thin in there, and there's little gaps in there. So I wouldn't want to have this side displayed, but it does look really neat. I think that looks really neat, but it definitely came out really pretty. So I do have a few more kits to do next. So if you liked this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.